Saturn is one of the most fascinating celestial objects in our solar system. Known for its majestic ring system, the planet has captivated astronomers and the public alike for centuries. This gas giant, the sixth planet from the Sun, offers a unique window into planetary formation and the dynamic processes shaping our solar system. Saturn is the second largest planet in the solar system, with a diameter of about 120,536 kilometers, 74,898 miles, at its equator. It is a gas giant, primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, much like its larger counterpart, Jupiter. Saturn's volume is immense, capable of holding more than 760 Earths within its confines, yet its mass is only about 95 times that of Earth due to its low density. In fact, Saturn is the least dense planet in the solar system, with an average density less than that of water. This means that if there were a body of water large enough, Saturn would float. The hallmark feature of Saturn is its extensive ring system, the most elaborate and visually striking among all the planets. Composed primarily of ice particles with some rock and dust, the rings are divided into several main groups named alphabetically in the order of their discovery: A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. These rings vary in thickness, ranging from just a few meters to over a kilometer in some areas, and span a diameter of approximately 282,000 kilometers, 175,000 miles. The precise origin of Saturn's rings is still debated, with hypotheses suggesting they could be remnants of a destroyed moon or comet. Saturn's atmosphere is predominantly hydrogen, about 96%, and helium, about 3%, with trace amounts of methane, ammonia, and other compounds. This composition is similar to that of the Sun, indicating that Saturn has retained much of the primordial material from which the solar system formed. Beneath its gaseous atmosphere lies a layer of metallic hydrogen, created under immense pressure, and a dense core of rock and metal. The planet exhibits a banded appearance due to high-speed winds in its upper atmosphere, which can reach speeds of over 1,800 kilometers per hour, 1,100 miles per hour, near the equator. These winds are driven by the planet's rapid rotation. A day on Saturn lasts only about 10.7 hours. Saturn is home to a diverse array of moons, totaling 146 known satellites as of the latest count, with 63 officially named. The most prominent of these is Titan, the second largest moon in the solar system and the only one with a thick atmosphere. Titan's atmosphere is rich in nitrogen and methane, and it features rivers, lakes, and seas of liquid hydrocarbons, making it a prime candidate for studying prebiotic chemistry and the potential for extraterrestrial life. Other notable moons include Enceladus, known for its geysers of water ice and subsurface ocean; Mimas, with its prominent crater resembling the Death Star; and Iapetus, distinguished by its starkly contrasting hemispheres. These moons, along with Saturn's rings, interact dynamically, influencing each other's orbits and physical properties. Saturn has been a target of human curiosity for centuries, first observed through telescopes by Galileo Galilei in 1610. Modern exploration began with the Pioneer 11 spacecraft, which flew by the planet in 1979. This was followed by the Voyager 1 and 2 missions, which provided detailed images and valuable data about Saturn's rings, atmosphere, and moons. The most comprehensive exploration of Saturn came with the Cassini-Huygens mission, a collaborative project between NASA, ESA, European Space Agency, and ASI, Italian Space Agency. Launched in 1997, Cassini arrived at Saturn in 2004 and spent 13 years studying the planet, its rings, and its moons. The mission concluded in 2017 with a dramatic plunge into Saturn's atmosphere, ensuring that the spacecraft would not contaminate any of the potentially habitable moons. In Roman mythology, Saturn was the god of agriculture and time, equivalent to the Greek god Cronus. The planet's slow movement across the sky, taking about 29.5 Earth years to complete one orbit, likely contributed to its association with time. In astrology, Saturn is often associated with discipline, responsibility, and limitations. The planet's striking appearance and cultural significance have made it a popular subject in art, literature, and science fiction. Its rings, in particular, have come to symbolize elegance and mystery, capturing the imagination of people worldwide. Saturn serves as a natural laboratory for studying the processes that govern gas giants and their ring systems. Its diverse moons provide insights into the potential for life beyond Earth, while its atmosphere and magnetic field offer clues about planetary formation and dynamics. Research on Saturn also contributes to our understanding of exoplanets, many of which are gas giants similar to Saturn. One of the most intriguing aspects of Saturn is the hexagonal storm at its north pole, a massive, persistent weather pattern with 6 sides. This feature, first observed by the Voyager missions and studied extensively by Cassini, remains a mystery, with scientists investigating the mechanisms that sustain its unique shape. While the Cassini mission provided a wealth of information, many questions about Saturn remain unanswered. Future missions could focus on its moons, particularly Titan and Enceladus, to search for signs of life or study their complex environments. Concepts such as the Dragonfly mission, a planned rotorcraft lander for Titan, highlight the potential for groundbreaking discoveries. Saturn is a planet of superlatives and mysteries. From its awe-inspiring rings to its diverse moons, it offers endless opportunities for exploration and discovery. As technology advances, our understanding of Saturn and its role in the solar system will continue to deepen, shedding light on some of the most fundamental questions about our cosmic origins.